everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the notebook series. They are made of two materials, poly-PU and linen. Poly-PU has a similar texture to leather, which is waterproof and dustproof at the same time. Our linen is updated with its anti-peeling function. Both of them are suitable for daily usage. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For the templates, I usually make them 3 mm wider than their recommended printing area for better display effect. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. The design space is rectangle shape, which is really simple. You can design it freely. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, if your design is using a full color base, our template will be helpful for you. Look at this. The blue line is the print area and the orange line is the save area. You can put the important image in the orange area. And your background is better to fill in the blue area because it is easier for printing. Second, if your design has no background, our template can help you to make sure every element is in a safe area, no matter what kind of design you want to do. Our template will give you good help. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Stacy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us. Let's make life memorable.